Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 6, Session 23, Intermolecular Forces. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to compare dispersion forces, dipole-dipole forces, and hydrogen bonding. Listen for these key terms: intermolecular force, dispersion, dipole-dipole, hydrogen bond, boiling point. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Intermolecular forces are attractions between particles, not bonds within a particle. They strongly influence boiling point, melting point, viscosity, and solubility. Dispersion forces occur in all particles. When you feel stuck, ask, "What did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it?" The core model is this. Stronger intermolecular forces usually mean higher boiling points, because more energy is required to separate particles into the gas phase. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first. Then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Comparing water and methane. Water has hydrogen bonding because H is bonded to O, and water molecules are polar. Methane, CH4, is nonpolar and relies mainly on dispersion forces. Water therefore has a much higher boiling point than methane, despite having a relatively small molar mass. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. Larger nonpolar molecules can have stronger dispersion forces because they have more electrons and more polarizable electron clouds. That is why dispersion forces are not weak in every situation. They grow with size and shape. Now answer this self-check. What special atoms must H be bonded to for hydrogen bonding in this course? A strong answer should include N, O, or F. Hint: hydrogen bonding is strongest when H is bonded to nitrogen, oxygen, or fluorine. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Identify the main intermolecular force in CH4, HCl, and H2O. Task 2. Explain why stronger intermolecular forces raise boiling point. Task 3. Compare dispersion forces in F2 and I2. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.